Hello guys, if you want to unlock the Toyota Trueno Forza edition, also known as the Toyota AE86 Forza edition, then here is what you need to do in Forza Horizon 6. First, open up the Discover Japan section, then head into Collection Journal. After that, go over to Master Explorer category. Once you are in here, you should eventually be able to find the AE86 Forza edition listed as one of the rewards. In order to unlock it, you need to reach a total of 5000 Discover Japan points. Now the way you earn these points is by completing the different activities and objectives listed throughout this menu. For example, if you collect all of the regional mascots, you can get 500 points. You can also earn more points from things like upgrading cars, unlocking garages, purchasing houses, and completing other collection challenges. Basically, every completed section gives you more Discover Japan points toward the reward. So since the AE86 Forza edition requires 5000 points, you will need to complete enough challenges to reach that total. In many cases, that means fully finishing around 10 different objectives worth 500 points each. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.